Hi guys, it's Katie from Cato's Acres, and I apologize for the shakiness, but I tried to do this on my tripod and it really didn't show everything I wanted to show you. So this is one of this month's projects in the club. It shows you how to do a paint poured background, and not only how to do a paint poured background, but how to decorate that background, and then how to make this lovely sunflower to go on it. But what I wanted to show you is the depth of this sunflower and the way it sparkles. So there's some elements here on this sunflower to really make it sparkle. So I wanted to just move it around under the lights so that you could really see not only the different parts of the clay that sparkled, but the Chatons that sparkled. The Chatons are in a mini jar from my store, and there you can see how nicely they sparkle, and also the clay that was used and how nicely it sparkles. And that beautiful mica powder is one of the new releases for this month called Lager. And it sparkles, and on the center of the flower, that mica powder that was used is called PALOMINO. And on the center of the leaves, that's called sea foam. So you can just see how wonderfully this sparkles. But when it's flat, you don't see the sparkle as well, especially not in a photo. But the depth that this piece has is just really cool. So it's just a really cool mixed media sculpted piece. So I thought you'd like to see it and the cane that was made. So I hope you guys come and join us in the club this month. Details are in the down bar below. Bye!